Hello YouTube, today I'm going to do a tutorial on diagram.net. So first off guys, what you want to do is click on the button start. So after this you'll be redirected to the site and you'll be asked on which device you'd like to save your diagram. I chose on my device, on my PC, and it just told me that I'd have to select a file on which I would like to make the diagram in, and I just made a blank text file and I selected it, and so I was let in here. So here guys, we can make we are we are now given so much opportunities to make a diagram. Like here's a person right here guys. We can make it bigger, we can give him like a bigger head. I think we can also here make, there are other kinds of things right here, like on this top is this one. We can here add things right here, like the value 4, value 3 and value 2. Here it is guys. So we can after that add this right here, both. We can also change the color of this, of the things inside the icon. So you see, after clicking on it or clicking on the icon, we can place it wherever you want. As you can see guys, if we make it bigger, the same icon would become bigger. It would just stay the same. It will just stay the same. There's also this kind of diagram, which kind of, I think, resembles I don't know guys, it kind of reminds me of pimples, but I don't know about you. But you can you are here allowed to do whatever you want guys. You can make anything bigger to smaller, to edit the shapes, to show the shapes, show the format, show a ruler. If you'd like to, you can make a file, new file, you can edit a file, you can view everything. You're given the right to do everything. UML, you can add UMLs guys. Control object after that, like this cross. You can add also this thing, whatever you want guys, whatever it is the best for your diagram. So this is like a what if. Here, this thing, let it lead to this. Just so here it is. The condition maybe, the condition is the condition is, will you let the dogs out? And let's say there is, the yes condition is when the condition is positive, so it goes to the yes side, they go woof woof. But if the condition goes to no, then it will go to here. So the dogs, the main thing, what will they be? They will be sad. So After they'll be set, they'll be in a black circle, which is, I guess, set. So this is kind of the condition, guys. It's not even that hard, guys. In my opinion, this app gives you the opportunity to make many things. I have not used it. I have not used the app for that much time, but I really like it, and I would see myself using it in the future. And I hope that you guys also are interested in the app. I just really like the app and wish more of you would like to use it, guys. So in the end, like and subscribe and comment down below. What would you like to see? In the future. And yeah, guys, that was really it for the video. I wish you guys a great day, and I will see you guys in the next one. Later.